Some trucks turn heads. A Peterbilt like these redefine the road. TLG Leasing and Rental supports fleets with a variety of commercial truck solutions built around real-world operations. Our team focuses on keeping your trucks on the road and your business moving. With TLG, you enjoy the benefits of the premium Peterbilt brand at affordable rates. TLG Leasing proudly offers Peterbilt day cabs, non-CDL box trucks, and sleepers like these Peterbilt 589s. The Peterbilt 589 blends classic American truck styling with modern engineering. It's bold, efficient, and built for drivers who want a truck that works as good as it looks. In addition to trucks spec'd for any job or industry, you'll enjoy additional benefits that include emergency roadside service, interstate licensing, and trucks with wet kits, all backed by a team that works to maximize the value of your lease or rental. TLG offers flexible lease and rental solutions at 15 locations across our network, supported by more than 500 full-service facilities nationwide, 24/7 roadside assistance, and more. By avoiding the expense and headache of maintaining your own service bays, employing diesel technicians, or tracking parts inventory, you focus on your business and maximizing your investment. Our award-winning team has earned national recognition for delivering dependable solutions and genuine customer care. When you work with TLG, you work with people who take pride in your success. Ready to elevate your fleet? Connect with TLG Leasing and Rental for a no-pressure consultation and a custom plan built around your goals. Because at TLG, we're dedicated to uptime all the time.